Hey everybody, it's your girl, Charlotte Van Horn, Black Expats in Panama, by way of Glassboro, New Jersey, right here on BlaxitRadio.com, baby. And we broadcast every Sunday at 2 p.m. Costa Rica time. And I just wanted to remind you guys that when the time springs forward, Costa Rica's like, nah, we're going to stay right here. So that means that instead of you listening in at 3 o'clock this Sunday, I need you to listen in at 4 p.m. instead. You don't want to miss the lively, wonderful conversations we have with Black expats from Panama and other places all over the world as we bring you valuable information and, absolutely, tales of Glassboro and the best oldies you finna find. So I'll see you Sunday at 4 p.m. on BlaxitRadio.com. Gracias.